Wyla Beauty here, and I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me on this makeup look, this hair look, and a simple outfit look to like chill with your friends or go out for drinks or anything that you feel like doing. So, and comment below and tell me what you guys think, how you thought this one turned out, because I don't know. Let's jump into the video. So here I am highlighting underneath my brows with this NYX lip liner pencil that I saw is like the medium shade one. I'm going in with my favorite go-to foundation, and that's the Kat Von D Deep 71, because I believe they discontinued the other shade, which is Deep 74, but this one oxidizes, so it doesn't end up looking too bad. Now I'm gonna go in with the most controversial product, the Tarte Shade Tape Concealer. Say that 3 times. So the shade I got was the Tan Sand, and when I do it, I try to keep it underneath my eye and contain it instead of having it spread everywhere and putting a whole bunch everywhere, and it just ends up looking like a mess. I've done it plenty of times, trust me. And one thing about this Tarte Shade Tape Concealer, it dries really fast, so you want to blend out each section as you do it. Now I'm going in with the MAC NC42 powder, and I'm finishing off the places that I highlighted and finishing it off with the powder before I contour my face. I like to do one thing and then finish it so it doesn't get mixed up. Alright, so now I am contouring my face, and I'm using the Black Opal in the color Suede. It can be found at any beauty supply store. It's an amazing product. It's my go-to. So sometimes when I contour, it gets a little bit out of control, but you can always counteract that with some foundation or like a sponge with a lighter color powder. So I'm going in with my Morphe palette here. I like to go in with like the lightest color, depending on like, I don't know, depending on how I feel. I go in with like a lighter shade or a darker shade. But today I went in with the lightest shade, and then I cleaned it up with my foundation. Yeah, another controversial product, the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yeah, I love this palette. It's my go-to. I'm not really an eyeshadow person, but I feel like this Jaclyn Hill palette has all the colors that you could possibly need. It has the bolds, the neutrals, everything. So yeah. So since I'm a beginner as far as eyeshadows, everything I do to the first eye, I do to the second, just so I don't forget a step and look like I have 2 different eyes. Well, 2 different eye colors. You know what I mean. Alright, so now I'm just gonna highlight the highest points of my cheeks with this beautiful, superb MAC highlighter. It's brown girl friendly, dark skin girl friendly, light skin girl friendly, any girl friendly. I love it. It's like amazing. It's like the best highlighter if you want something natural. I'm using this lip liner, this brown lip liner from the beauty supply store that I got so many years ago that the name like erased from it. I can't even read it. But like any nice tone neutral brown eyeliner is good for this look. With a simple lip gloss, because I don't like to have like too much color on my lips. For some reason, I just think I look better with like neutral colors, but maybe I'll grow out of that when I get better. Alright, so I'm doing a high ponytail, and it's going to entail this edge booster. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love it. It smells amazing. Like I just feel like eating it sometimes, but I can't. So I'm going in with this 24-inch yaki ponytail with a drawstring, and make sure that when you're doing it that you don't feel any like teeth or combs or anything like that or pins poking you, because that sensation won't go away. My mom told me that, like, if something's bothering you, take it out and start over, because it's not worth the headache, literally. Now we're done with all of that. Now it's time to get into the outfit. What you guys think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you learned anything from my video, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so at this point I'm just being creepy, but thank you guys. You're the real MVP if you made it to the end. Subscribe, like, comment, and that's it. Bye.